Struggling? Dreaming? Tired of waiting? Then this is for you. Learn how to manifest success, money, and freedom. Welcome to Manifestation Mastery. Arjun had been a struggling street photographer in Ludhiana for 6 years. His camera was old, his portfolio thin, and every big magazine or brand he emailed ghosted him. He lived in a tiny room above a noisy tailor shop, eating dal roti twice a day, dreaming of shooting campaigns in Mumbai or abroad. One rainy evening, while scrolling Instagram in a dimly lit cyber cafe, he stumbled upon a reel. Manifest your dream life in 30 days. The woman in the video spoke with calm confidence. Write it as if it has already happened. Feel it. Act like the person who already has it. Arjun laughed at first, but that night, lying on his creaky charpoy, something shifted. He was tired of waiting. He tore a page from his notebook and wrote in bold letters, "I am a successful international photographer. My work appears in Vogue, National Geographic, and major ad campaigns. I travel the world shooting beautiful stories. I earn enough to support my family and live comfortably. Opportunities come to me easily and joyfully." Every morning for the next 30 days, he read it aloud while looking at himself in the cracked mirror. He closed his eyes and imagined the feeling, the weight of a new camera in his hands, the sound of airport announcements, the proud smile on his mother's face when he sent money home. He didn't just visualize, he acted. He started posting one photo every single day on Instagram with better captions. He reached out to 10 new editors or art directors every week, even when they ignored him. He cleaned his camera, learned new editing techniques at night, and walked the streets of Ludhiana with fresh eyes, looking for beauty instead of desperation. On day 23, nothing dramatic happened. On day 29, still nothing. On day 31, his phone rang. It was a small local magazine, asking if he could shoot their cover story for free. He said yes. 2 weeks later, the editor liked his work so much, she introduced him to a friend at a bigger Punjab lifestyle magazine. They paid him, his first proper fee in years. He kept going. 6 months later, a fashion brand in Delhi saw his consistent Instagram posts and hired him for a campaign. The photos went viral in Indian fashion circles. A year after he wrote that page, a creative director from Mumbai messaged him, "We loved your street series from Ludhiana. Would you fly down for a shoot with us for a major youth brand?" Arjun landed in Mumbai with his old bag and new confidence. The shoot was chaotic and fun. When he returned, he sent part of his payment to his mother. One evening, sitting in the same cyber cafe where it all started, he opened his notebook again. The original page was worn and coffee-stained. He smiled, turned to a fresh page, and wrote something new. Because the chair he once thought was empty, the one reserved for successful people, was no longer empty. He was sitting in it. Manifestation isn't about sitting still and wishing. It's about becoming the version of yourself who naturally attracts what you want, through belief, emotion, and consistent action. What you focus on with feeling and follow through with effort has a powerful way of showing up in your life. If this story touched you, start writing your own manifestation today. Remember, the chair is never empty. You just have to sit in it. See you in the next video. Keep manifesting.